Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the features of the Proscenic Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, a powerful cleaning tool designed for modern homes. With its brushless digital motor delivering an impressive 45 kPa suction force, this vacuum tackles both surface debris and deeply embedded dirt effortlessly. Thanks to its anti-tangle technology, the P13 efficiently collects hair without tangling, making it perfect for pet owners. The Vertex Light and LED touch display enhance your cleaning experience by illuminating hidden dust and providing real-time updates on suction performance and battery life. Easily convert it to a handheld vacuum for cleaning tight spaces like corners, vehicles, and sofas, or use the retractable tube for high areas. With a generous 1.2-liter dust capacity and easy rest design, maintenance is a breeze, allowing you to focus on what matters most. Plus, with a 12-month warranty, you can clean with confidence knowing you're backed by Proscenic's commitment to quality. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.